In this lesson, we're going to look at the set method symmetric difference update. And what this one does is it will cross-reference two sets and update one with all the elements that are not common between the two. So it's very similar to symmetric difference. However, in symmetric difference, those are saved into a new set. In symmetric difference update, those are actually updated into one of the original sets. So let's get into the example. If I have set 1 equals Alice, and we have Bob, and we have Charlie, and for set 2 we have Dan, we have Erica, and we have Alice. So on this one, we'll do set 1 dot symmetric difference update and pass that set 2, and we will print set 1, and hold on, I got a problem here. Oh, there we go. We'll see that you got Dan, Bob, Erica, and Charlie. So the Alice have been excluded, and that's been saved back into set 1.